to a new daily from the Lambda execution client team. Yeah, let's get this started. Tomas, do you want to go first?
Sure. Sorry, I'm laughing because my virtual background is bugging out a lot. I'm not being distinguished from the background. Sorry. Back to on topic. Yesterday, I finished testing the PR that I had almost ready for review, and I put it up for review, which was the one for the one block reorgs. I saw some comments by Martin. Thanks for the review. I already addressed them, and I'm now just testing that everything works correctly. And after that, I will just mark it ready for review again. What I am currently working on while that is on review is augmenting the reorgs from one block to multiple blocks, as long as there's a chain that connects to the canonical chain, which should cover most of the cases. The only case that would be not covered by the following PR would be when we get a block that has no relationship at all with the canonical chain, which it might happen sometimes, but it's probably a lower priority than the other.
Cool. Yeah, and also we won't be able to tackle this for now since we need to get it from P2P, right?
Exactly, yes.
All right, great. Thank you. Great progress. All right, let's continue with Esteban.
Yeah. Hi. Well, I'm making some progress with the peer-to-peer protocol. I I discovered yesterday that we have half of it working and not the whole handshake. The 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 fact is that we may establish a handshake in two directions, and each direction works differently. I discovered that looking at Geth code, and when I looked at our own code, since it was hard coded, we were always initiating the communication, and we need to handle it when the other pair is initiating it. So I'm working on that. Has to be. It's very similar to the other way, but we have to uh, receive and send different messages. So I have to start from scratch. I had to encode and decode the messages we're not yet handling. And I was in the middle of it, and then you asked me to review a pull request from Gaston, and I know I've been neglecting a bit the pull reviews, the code reviews. So I moved to that because I saw that it touched the same modules I'm using, so it would be better to have that merged before I continue. And while I'm doing the code review, I will. I think it's to approve. I may have a minor comment, but I have to look at it better, and I will keep working with this. The bad news is that is more work left to do, and the good news is I understand better the whole process.
Okay, cool. Thank you for the update.
Yeah.
Let's continue with Federica.
Well, hello. I've been working on adding block building. I've been working on the fork trace updated, and I had some problems with the hype test because we use an updated version where we no longer need the total difficulty field on the blocks in the RPC test suite, but the engine test suite still relies on it, so all my engine tests were panicking. So what I was working on now was reverting the hype we use and reverting our removal of the field so that we can run the engine tests. And then I should move on to work on the new payload endpoint.
Okay, cool. So you decided to move forward with removing the field from the Hive test?
No, like re-adding the field.
Oh, re-adding it. Okay, so the approach will be to pin the version of the execution API.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, cool. Thank you. Yeah, it's something that we can also potentially ask or comment on the Discord of the the Ethereum Foundation, or maybe do some contribution at some point. I think it's a good idea to pin that repository, because otherwise things like this happen. All right, cool. Thank you. For me, I've been a little bit all over the place between consensus and execution and meetings and code reviews. So yeah, don't really have any specific review. Yeah, my objective is we have a lot of outstanding PRs for more than a week now. So I will try to get all of them merged, or at least most of them, or unblock them if there's anything that is blocked. So yeah, I'll be working on that. All right, that's all I have. Does anybody have something else, a question, comment before we call it off? No? Okay.